All right, today we don't have a new build. We've got an existing house. And if there's anything I like better than roasting new construction builders, it's roasting house flippers, because this place is atrocious. So we'll do a quick walk around inside and out. It'll be a little bit longer because there's 1,000 things wrong here. Holes in the walls everywhere. This is a good one over here. This is the master bathroom on this corner. And somebody has screwed an AC register cover to the wall. You can kind of see there how big the hole is. That's where the access to the Whirlpool tub motor is inside of here. And I mean, look how easy it is to get rain in there. We're in Central Florida, so I mean, rain's an issue. Somebody left the level on the truck when they were plumbing some of the pool here. The filter also just flaps in the breeze. Got some damaged conduit, some open conduit. Got a receptacle that doesn't work. They did manage to connect the bond wire to the pool right here. But then if we come over to the enclosure, somebody just cut that guy off. Don't know where the rest of that is. All the windows need sealing around the perimeter. A couple minor things with the pool cage, unpainted stucco, some torn screens. Nothing too big around the back here, other than the feature spraying on the deck and leaking down the back. That's nice. And then this post over here for the rear patio. So we've got a post right behind this gutter for the roof structure. Let's see if I can get a good view of this. Get my light out here. That thing's not sitting on nothing. I mean, you can see the screw holes in the bottom of the bracket. No contact for anything. They got a lot of caulk though, so you know, that should hold it up. The front has got some brick features against some wood siding with, I mean, massive gaps. Sometimes I'm a little nitpicky about cracks here and there. You know, it's not hard for water to get in. Speaking of cracks. Got some wood rot. Take a look at these cracks up here. Or gaps rather, or giant holes I should say. So that's nice. And then wait till we get inside. That's where all the good stuff is. Freshly flipped. Looks nice in the pictures with the right filters on. All of these lights, all 6 of them, are either inoperative or they've got the wrong switches for 3-ways or 4-ways, and I can't figure out the right combination of switches to get these things to come on. So these are all dead. Laundry room, loose sink, plumbing box, I mean the whole thing. Just loose. This is the door into the garage. It's not fire rated. Just a little hollow core interior door with no weather stripping, no threshold. The door to the outside, the deadbolt just does not work. Bottom lock does, but the deadbolt, nothing. Garage door frame. Missing some bolts up here. Also, look at this gap. You don't even need a light in here. So much daylight's coming in. More missing fasteners. Look at the state of that. Oh. No drain on the water heater drain pan. And it's not a step down where the water heater is. It's on the same level as the house, so it needs one. Most of the switches in this house were just put in any type of way. So you can see everything's off in here, but this one is backwards from everything else. So that's nice. This is a $725,000 house, by the way. Closet doors are upside down. You don't even get a light fixture in this room. You get half a receptacle run off of this switch. In the bathrooms, this is probably the best one. Huge gaps in the caulking. If my phone will focus. Cracks in the grout. I mean, the biggest gaps you've ever seen. Everything's loose. This giant shower head with all this weight. Loose. Also, as a side note, this is personal preference, but I don't think I need a screen in my sink faucets. Or shower valves, for that matter. In the master, there's a lot going on in here. Pocket door doesn't close, or it doesn't open rather. Or it doesn't close all the way, if I knew what I was talking about. It's also got a repair panel on it. And by repair panel, I mean a piece of sheet metal. Because it rubs the frame going in, they couldn't be bothered to replace it. That's all you get, it doesn't open all the way. Anybody want to guess what the towel's for? Before I run the water, this whole floor just holds water. The drain underneath is missing half of its bushings, so every time you step on it, it wants to flip over. That's nice. All the shower enclosures leak because there is no caulk whatsoever at the bottom of any of these panels. Not to mention missing grout, cracked grout, holes in the grout. Same with the tub over there. Some more cracks back here. The Whirlpool tub works surprisingly, but the air valve does not. So you can't get bubbles in your jacuzzi. Other bathroom in here, more of the same. Cracks in the grout, holes in the grout, missing grout. In this way. There just is no grout. And same thing in this one. Shower floor doesn't drain. Just a whiff of water and it just starts pouring out. Not to mention all the little things. Like I said, the switches being upside down here and there, a bunch of loose receptacles. Not very good. 6 lights, brand new lights that don't come on. So get yourself a home inspection. This house looks great in the pictures. And honestly, it doesn't look that bad here. It just looks like this flipper turned his handyman loose in here and let him do what he wanted. And I'm not gonna get up on the roof again. I'll splice in this short I made here, but those plumbing vent stacks, not only are they cracked and separated and leaking, it says right on them, do not paint, in both English and Spanish. And they're all painted. People try to make things idiot-proof, and the world just makes a bigger idiot. What does this say? Read it. Do not paint collar. What did they do? They painted the collar. And for our Spanish-speaking friends, right here, plain as day. Every collar is painted. It's brittle. You know, I mean, we can't get much clearer than this.